Yuck! Is Arlo gonna be sick? I don't feel so good. Rewind. It started as a perfect boat day. Yeah, let's go!
No! Whoa! Look at all these snacks! I'm starving! Hey, share with me!
Victory, Screech!
Arlo forgot the #1 rule. Food. Whoa, big wave! Wait, the snacks and the waves were a bad mix.
Shut up and take my money.
The sky is spinning. No!
Look like giant watermelon.
Don't laugh.
No.
Hold up.
Yeah, say. Okay, safety first.
Spot knew he had to help his friend.
Shut up and take my money.
Thanks, Spot. Will the water cure the wobble?
One eternity later.
Just see. Just sip it slowly.
Slowly but surely, the tummy ache passed.
Victory, Screech!
Snacks.
That's okay. I understand now.
Huh? It's okay. Eating too much hurts anyway.
Learned, sharing is caring and safer for your stomach. Much better when we share. Me feels way better now.
Thanks for sailing with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more safe adventures.
Can Arlo and Spot get the ultimate snack without waking the beast? Not a single peep, Spot.
The legendary slides. And the sleeping guard.
The legendary Mega Melon.
Pants eagerly.
Wait, we have to. Oh, I smell safe. Oh. Operation Stealth is a go. Oh. What? Oh no! No! Come back! Hold your breath! Narrator whispers, maximum silence required.
Nice.
Brevity and decibels. Coming. Wow! What a splash! That was
Oh.
Doom!
Roar!
Woof, woof.
Wait, he just wanted to play. Happy Feral cheer!
Shut up and take my money.
That was a close one.
Hard, but this giant melon is amazing. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want to ride the mega
Talent show prep ever. Get ready for my amazing singing.
Roar! I just.
Meat, mad. Talent show judge. Gold ball! It wants an encore.
See ya!
Rat! Brave!
Re mi fa sol la ti. Do re mi fa sol la ti.
We're a tough crowd. Run, Arlo. You do not like my...
Time to go!
Hey, I am leaving! Okay, I am leaving!
Spot!
Oh my gosh! On.
Hurry up! Quickly, now!
Narrator says. Looks like they survived.
Snake was the ultimate judge. If you loved our crazy talent show, I watched it.
My champion.
Is in a suit, Spot is a mermaid, and they just got robbed. Let's rewind exactly 3 minutes.
This isn't just tag, Spot. This is for the ultimate glory.
The stakes had never been high.
The games. Begin. Begin.
Amateurs.
Challenger has entered the arena. No!
Prize forever.
Resistance. I can cut her off at the lagoon.
Form. Flawless. Execution. Slightly crabby. Arc. Hey, you there! Over.
Foul play. Tag rules clearly state no fish. Of teamwork. But who would make the catch?
Flying mermaid!
Go!
A flawless victory! Followed by the roar of a crowd cheer.
Not bad. Now, who?
Narrator says, and so the greatest beach game in history continues. Out of control. If you want to join our next epic game, smash that like button and subscribe.
Let's get that worm out.
Whoa!
Whoa! Wait, how did we get here? Let's rewind 10 minutes.
Oh my!
Narrator says,
Eat. Good. No.
No thanks.
I'm a clown.
Instructions.
Bit. Just a little longer.
Yelp. No.
Oh, no more bugs.
This is fine.
What was that? Make it stop. Is it gone?
Here it comes. Brace for impact. sweet relief. Ah, thank.
Imagination.
Take that.
Never let Spot be your nurse.
Like and subscribe for more crazy.
Let's rewind. It was supposed to be a quiet night. Who turned out? Help! I can't see anything! Get me out of here! Help! But they did not know they were not alone. Sea monster!
Oh, a pool noodle. Just a pool noodle.
We were scared of a pool noodle?
What?
Out! It's right there!
Run! Don't let it get... What is that giant creature?
Imagination.
Gotcha. It's all right now. I'm here. You'll be safe. Hold on! Ah! Ah! We're almost there. Ah! Oh, it was just toys. Silly dinosaur.
Too scary. I am sticking to the bathtub. Like and subscribe for more spooky swims. Baking a cake with toddlers? What could possibly go wrong? Spot!
I think we baked it way
Started 30 minutes ago.
All right, team. Let's bake the best cake ever. Need to measure the flour very carefully. No. Whoa. Wait. Don't
And just like that, the Winter Wonderland arrived in...
Are you okay down there? Oh. Oh no! Oh. Oh no! My belly!
Whoa!
This is fine.
Self into the recipe. You out!
This is not what I meant by hands-on.
Oh my gosh! Finish the batter. Just keep them busy.
I'm out of here.
Ah, phew. Finally, now we just wait.
Uh-oh. Someone likes it extra crispy.
I need a vacation. A very long vacation.
Supposed to smell like a campfire?
Ruined. Ah! Looks like dessert is officially canceled.
Don't even look at me. I'm part of the couch now.
One eternity later.
Ah, the thermometer says the cake is totally burnt.
Burnt?
Yeah. I know, buddy. No. Oh.
Pizza delivery tonight?
Take out from now on. If you love this baking disaster, smash that like button and subscribe for more crazy...
I'm a clown.
No, the temperature is too high.
Let's rewind. It started as a simple
I'm out of here.
Oops.
Whoa!
Oh, my stomach. I feel like I ate a whole market.
Oh no! No! No!
No.
Ha! Too hot!
Will they make it to the pharmacy?
Oh.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Arlo, grab it! Oh, thank goodness! I thought I lost you. Thank you.
Easy there.
Not again. Urge, help me.
I know of a place.
Salvation is in sight. But wait.
A pharmacy. Wow. Look out. Uh-oh. No. How are we? Oh no. Oh, oops.
You all right there, little guy?
Yeah, I think so.
Glad that was just a food baby. Hit subscribe if you love snacks. The cleaning bots are out of control. You're probably wondering how a simple grocery trip turned into a slime disaster. Let's...
We only need apples.
Wee, faster, faster. Watch out for the fruit.
Oh no! The storm slime wasn't just messy, it was sticky.
Oh my God!
They're glitching. Run!
They're coming.
Get any worse? Let's add sugar.
Boop. Whir. Blip.
Achoo!
Hop in.
They'll never catch us now! Malfunction! Error! Retreat!
Surviving the supermarket is tough work. If you want to see us escape more crazy messes, smash that like... I didn't sign up for Extreme Spider Tag.
It started as a simple game of tag.
Prepare to...
Oh my gosh!
Easy to go out when you know.